I will show you today how to make a Bulgarian Banitsa. But before that, we need an inspiration. And what's better than a favorite drink? So I will show you what I love. This is banana juice. And many people don't know that there is banana juice made from banana puree and water. So you can find in Turkish shops, not all of them. So what I will do now is to pour banana juice in a glass. I love it, and because it's not cold, I put ice. And then my favorite drink or mixture is banana juice with whiskey. And because I'm going to cook, I will just put a splash of whiskey. It is very delicious. If you haven't tried, try it. That's my favorite. Let's cook now. All we need for the banitsa is a baking tray. You probably will need bigger than mine, but I somehow managed to do it in this one. 3 or 4 eggs, cheese. Now I have Bulgarian cheese here, but Greek feta cheese will do the job as well. So I usually use 1.5 packs. I can use both of them and it will be more cheesy. Sorry, my cat is very curious. Then I need butter, melted butter, oil, and of course pastry for the banitsa. I love these pastries. I'm not sure if they're Greek, probably, but the pastry they use for, you see, the baklava, they made the baklava because they're very fine and nice, and the taste of banitsa is different, so I love them. Let's say in Bulgarian the ingredients are pastry for the banitsa. We call them kori za banitsa. Kori za banitsa. White cheese, or in Bulgarian that's sirene. Eggs, 4 eggs, ЧЕТИРИ яйца, butter, масло, melted butter, разтопено масло, and olive oil. Sorry, that's vegetable, sunflower oil. Слънчогледово, olio. And all we need now is to get started. It will be messy, so I hope you like messy work. What we are doing is very simple. So now I need to mix the eggs and the cheese in a bowl, because that will be my mixture going in between the layers of the pastry. And this is the mixture of the eggs and cheese. So we'll put oil now. And we are going to grease. I don't really have patience to do that, so I use my fingers. And as I said, this is a really messy work, so I hope you like it. Try not to make it too greasy though, like I probably put too much oil. And now you can see how delicate, how fine the pastry is, so you need to be careful. And because it's quite a lot and my tray is small, so don't worry if that happens. I'm using the double layer, so I put both of them. It's completely fine. And you can literally like wrinkle. So I'm getting oil, that's butter, and what I'm doing is literally sprinkle a little bit, and then from the mixture with eggs and cheese, sprinkle a little bit. You can see how little, but because I have too much mixture, so if you don't want so much filling, you can make like 1 or 1.5. 2 is too much. Never mind. So I have my layer done. I need to put the next one. Okay, we put the next layer. I did something. Okay, using oil, sprinkle, mixture. Just sprinkle, making art, and keep doing it. Very artistic. The last two layers we continue. So this is the layer before the last one. I need to finish the filling, so I'm using all the filling here. That's nice. Okay, I'll just use my fingers, make it more artistic. Little oil, sprinkle. If you put too much oil, it will become very greasy. You don't really need so much. And this is the last one. Let's make it look nice. Nice. Cover. And now we are going to use the rest of the melted butter. Literally. All of it. And spread it. So we can make a nice crispy top layer. It's getting a little sticky. Don't forget the corners. And now all this is going into the oven at 200 or 220 degrees fan, or up and down, for about 20-25 minutes. Keep an eye on it. It doesn't need much time. Nearly done. Banitsa is ready. Taking it out. What we need to do now is wet the upper layer. So wet your hands, literally sprinkle cold water on the top, so it will make the upper layer soft. And when you're done, cover with a tea towel. Leave it for about 10 minutes and it's ready to eat. And for the banitsa, you can use yogurt or krave kiselo mlako. If you can't find Bulgarian yogurt in the Turkish shops, you can use Greek yogurt. And there you go, you have a slice of the banitsa, which looks this way, with all these layers. Yummy, yummy. And yogurt. And let's taste the banitsa. Woo! Body. Very hot. Very hot. Okay. And of course, messy again. Use fingers. Don't play with. You can use fork and knife.
No. It's more fun to eat with your fingers.
How is it?
It's very good. It's very evenly baked as well.
How's the yogurt?
Salty. I'm not sure. It makes me salivate.
Okay.
It's nice. It's different from any yogurt I eat in the UK that is from Tesco or Sainsbury's.
It's really delicious. I love it. I love it. So you can try and then you can comment. Leave your comments below if you like it too. Bye.
Bye.
Perfect. Я сніжно записав.
Аз го записах.